Okay guys, thank you for continuing this tutorial series. Here we are going to learn something interesting, something enjoyable. Okay, we are going to make some chat, different kind of chat by using LibreOffice Calc. This is very easy. So what you can do, just select the table. Select the table of data that we are going to show inside our chat. Just click on this menu, inside insert menu, chat. You see you have different kind of chart here: column, bar, pie chart, area, line. Let's select XY scatter for now. Here you have inside XY scatter you have different style. Let's select any of those. Okay, let's click here smooth. There you can smoothly, you can see this is working smoothly. Click on next. Okay, data series in row. When you click this, you can see the different name of the different goal values. Okay, but when you select the column, it will arrange by column. You see there is 5 column and it's showing data for 5 column, but we want data series as row. Okay, click next, or you can experiment with those, but I'm just showing you the basic. Okay, click next. Title, you can add a title here. Let's add a title. Goal calculation and finish. Here it is. And now just click outside of this chat. Click anywhere outside of this chat. Now once again click on this chat. Now you can move, or you can make smaller or bigger, anything you want. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. In next tutorial we are going to learn something different. So I'm welcoming you by advanced. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.